Dr. O. Return to stillness, deep mind and body relaxation with Dr. O. Welcome. This is your moment to simply be. Find a quiet space. Lie down comfortably on your back. Let your arms rest beside your body, palms open to the sky. Let your feet fall naturally to the sides. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And gently exhale through your mouth. Feel the air leaving your body, taking tension with it. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice the weight of your head resting on the ground. The softness of your shoulders melting into the surface beneath you. Your arms are heavy, relaxed, peaceful. Your chest rises and falls, calm and steady. Feel your abdomen as it gently expands with each inhale and softens with each exhale. Now imagine a warm golden light at the top of your head. With every breath, this light moves slowly down to your neck, to your shoulders, to your arms and hands, to your chest and heart, down your spine, through your hips, legs, and feet. This golden light clears away tension, releasing all that no longer serves you. You are safe. You are whole. You are here. Stay in this moment. Let your breath guide you. Let your body rest in stillness. And when you're ready, take a gentle breath in. Feel energy return to your body. Move your fingers. Move your toes. And slowly open your eyes. You have returned to stillness, calm, centered, and renewed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more meditation videos only on Dr. O. Thanks for watching Dr. O. Dr. O.